Hi, Andreas from Toddle here. One of the things our users really love is how Toddle lets you connect to any backend of your choice. See, working with APIs is such a core part of web development that we really wanted to make it the best experience possible. And that's why I'm so excited to announce that this month we're releasing a brand new version of our API panel. Now, we probably already had the most powerful API connector of any visual programming platform, but this new release really takes it to a whole other level. See, we've completely redesigned the API panel and we packed it full of a ton of new features like inputs, redirect rules, performance metrics, and Swagger support. And of course, we now have native support for request streaming, so you can stream your AI-generated content directly into your app. There's so many new features in this release that we're going to have to take a whole month just to tell you about them. But now, of course, all these new API features doesn't really mean anything unless you have someone to call. So we want to dedicate the month of November to all the great backend platforms out there that power Toddle applications all over the world. We're calling this Backend Appreciation Month, or BAM. So this month we're collaborating with great companies such as Supabase, Xano, Buildship, Directus, Baserow, and more to bring you a ton of great content such as videos, tutorials, and live streams. You can learn all about BAM on our website toddle.dev. Make sure you follow us on social media and YouTube because you're not going to want to miss this. November is going to be a fantastic month. I'll see you soon.